Okay, so John, here's the bolt just as it's removed from the rifle, okay? So the easiest way to disassemble it would be for you to grab onto the cocking piece, which is this part, pull it all the way out, and at the same time, swing the safety to 12 o'clock. Now, the whole assembly will just unscrew really easily. Okay, so now you have bolt body, and then you have the rest of the bolt assembly. So to disassemble the rest of the pieces, which is good thing I just looked at it because I have a broken firing pin here on the tip. You'll just put it on the wood surface typically. You have your kind of thumb, you push it down, okay? And then you just spin the cocking piece either 45 degrees in either direction, lift it up. Now slowly, you're just gonna let it go. So now you have your firing pin, your spring, and your cocking piece assembly. So now to put it back together, again, you do it the same way. So you almost have to put the rest of the pieces in battery before you screw it into the bolt. So first you get the safety in here. So now your safety is in. So your firing pin and the spring, you put it in there. So now you put it again on some kind of a wood surface that you do not really care about. And then you have your safety, as you see how I have it at 12 o'clock. And then you push it all the way down. So now it looks just like this. So now you have your cocking piece. You just put it down until until it can't go anymore, while you're still holding down the spring is compressed. Then you turn your trigger engagement with a groove right here, and then you slowly let go because your safety is still at 12 o'clock. It doesn't really snap down. So this is how it looks like right now. Okay, so now when it looks like this, it's really easy just to go and you spin it all the way in. So this is where the shroud should stop, engaged in this little groove in the bolt handle right here. It stops. So now it's stopped. So what you do now is you hold on to the bolt. Again, you grab onto the cocking piece, pull it out. It's a little slippery. Pull it out just a little bit for you to be able to rotate the safety to 9 degrees, and you kind of let it go. And that's it. You have it all reassembled.